Guys, this is the part 2 of unboxing a product. Okay. So this is Pop Mart, and this is the name of the Pop Mart username in the TikTok. So I'm gonna pick some color what I like. First is pink, second is orange, and third is green, and but that's not list yellow. So this is the 4 buying boxes. So in the store, I say to the cashier, or we have a 6, we have a 9 of this buying boxes. We have but no stock. So coming from that, it's become this is so very pretty. So we have no stock. This is very price, but so very. So what is that? Are you shocking to me? So this is what I gonna do. It's a very cool. This is the color. So first I unbox is this one. Okay, that one. This color orange. So what is that? That is. So I gonna first this orange because she have on rectangle straight. So I gonna first and I gonna put okay. So this is too very not pricey because she has have $1, so I bought this. So let's unbox it. This is Pop Mart, Random Things and Heart. Let's unbox it. Here is the open. Oh my god. Start to my face because I have sick. So you gonna first and we have here some Pop Mart and let's open it. 1, 2, 3. What I got? Okay, definitely we have here some so are you going to do 403? So cute the packaging like so very cute like that bunny. And we have here some different color. So and that one so very cute. And cheese is very I think this is organizer like that. So you're gonna first 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's the same color, right? This is orange. Orange heart and organizers. So cute. But inside. Oh my god. so full of sticker like that. Oh my god. There's stickers. What? So I'm so cute. So cute. So very cute. Like posting in my nose, but is it bad? So next is, so I gonna unbox this two of them. So last one. Okay, because I love you guys. So I unbox all now because I want it now. So this next is this color thing that become hot day. Yes. So random things and pop mark and open. We are gonna open here. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I can already see, but here not. Okay. I'm gonna first and then yeah. Super cute like that. So this is a very not pricey but very and review some. Marami ka din makukuha. Like ang mumura niya. Pero marami kang makukuha ng but keep it. Pero yung pangdikit sa display ganun. So next is this yellow. So this is strawberry squishy. I think this is apple. I think that this is apple. Let's unbox it. So it's the same color. Not the same color. That's the same packaging. Yellow heart and dots. I don't know what's that. And thing around them. Things and open and pop my yes pop my. One, two, three. Go. Oh my god, it's so pretty cute. It's so kitty apple. No, it's not it. It's so cute. And we have here heart and leaves and that little face and that apple shape and keychain. She have already keychain, so I kind of put in my bag. Oh, so so next is but not least the green one, and this is the last one. So and I become in the store. I gonna buy the two of the packaging that $10. So many. That's very pricey to me, and it's so much money to buy. So I want to buy that too, and I gonna buy this whole packaging of this one. That's so Okay, this is the last one, and you're gonna be proud. Okay, this is squishy. I think this is squishy, right? This bracelet? Are you kidding me? The Balawan. Oh my god, this is good. It's a little bunny. In, in strawberry alga. So cute. And we have here some sweet and bunny. So strawberry and what is that thing? Bracelet made in I don't know. And bracelet. So cute. This is a beach design, right? Because you have a shell. It's built in a beach and marbles of the shell and the name of this the rock in the beach and the leaves in Boko and heart and the cute design like that. So cute. And that's all. Bye bye. Comment if I gonna unbox this too. And I gonna buy in the store of Pop Mart. Bye bye.